Yes, people, welcome to our next installment of the Brandon Music Review Show. You don't know we're going entirely entertainment, informative, unsponsored, unbiased, same way. You don't know how we do it. You get to me and say, so this is just a follow up to the review we do yesterday on the song Microwave. Now, I just want to talk some little things concerning the why I want to go. First of all, I just say that it was Prophet Brando which highlighted and predicted that this war would take place in 2017. I tell you, I say Alkaline ready. The things that I talk, the amount of song I put out down in the ear, it shows I'm ready for badness. A straight badness the man I speak. You get to me, I say? So, this was no surprise to Brando. Probably this is a surprise to a lot of reviewers out there. We don't know being the review done, we stand above the rest. So, it never surprised me. But, Mama does say this. Now, Popcaan, this is the second time within about 6 months a war reach your doorstep. A matter of fact, you call for the warrior, just like how you call for the mother one. I'm going to tell you this from now. You say anyhow, you run from the warrior, me no want to hear nothing out of your mouth again about dancehall, warring and clashing and bad man too. Me no want to hear. Go do party song, go link Grace Chillers, go link Sandra Brooks to Jesus song and them son. Might as well convert and go in a church with lady. You better you go name Minister Andre Sutherland after this. Cause you see the war something and not for you. May I tell you from now, me no want to hear no gun song out your mouth if you run from this, Cause you can't, so we dance all run, where you start up war and run out, that girl something and now go work out, May I tell you from now. Cause the last time you start it up and you run, me no unite this time, you call for war, hanging tree, and that me upon hanging tree. So, we want to see war. I know you have it now, you so pull out. Next thing I go tell you, Popcaan, you see the one bag of shot and fire, it better you talk things, kind of war. Cartel, tell you, you see what cartel war, cartel tell you the whole of your business. Cartel tell you everything. Tell you about Patty Van and Termite and Yamit like how you and Yami Van and a bag of things him going on. In a clashing it's all about dissing. In a clashing it's all about humiliating a man and make people laugh at your opponent. That is clashing. A whole heap of man get it twisting and things like, yo, me shot in your neck and shot in your face. Yeah man, that all good and well, that have a mixing. But clashing is dissing. And dissing have to do with humiliation. You have to make people sit down and laugh after your opponent and say, no man, that's why you can't go on, that you done already defeated. Yo, look at what things the man attack. I saw clashing go on. Me I tell you from now, humiliation, take things and twist it. Discredit man, show man to them no bad and thing, and Popcaan right about now enough things in the answer from Motherada. I notice with Alkaline, him not touch upon the things that when Motherada touch upon, this is a new set of cases, so it's not like we can say, yo, Motherada don't tell them something that Poppy me I tell you from now. You see after this if you not go war, Grace Chillers, Jesus Party, them thing them want to hear if I sing about. No Glock 40. You see me? Cause you never bad like Shorty. You get to me I say to you? To the thing, me know the Gaza man no teach them something, I want to see it. And where did they expect to Poppy? You must expect this in them, but as you say, the man copy everything from teacher. So them face things and them face the word there now from teacher. So, you don't know. Can't expect it. Brando Music Review show. Share the thing, like the thing. Remember, say a Prophet Brando tell you no first. You get to me, I say? The review done. Cause we no sit down and chat and make up story and something. Analysis, informative, entertainment, unsponsored and unbiased. Because some people so deep in them bias, them can't even see what go on around them. But Brando having the clear mind and the clear eyes, we could have predict said this would have gone in 2017. Because you are going on, the youth need a feud, Yeah man, because if you dip on top in a dancehall or if you even reach now in a dancehall, you have to have a little feud side their name, which is part of the controversy, see away. Brando Music Review show. You have to know dancehall, and from when you want to know dancehall, you check Brando. I'm out. Like a kangle when it comes to review thing, and me alone can angle.